Good morning, guys. So yeah, today's gonna be a new day. We're gonna be getting some tires mounted for Anthony's wheels, and then but that's gonna be later in the day. Today, right now, I'm going to the car wash. Damn, I'm spitting everywhere. I'm going to the car wash, and I'm going to just throw some water on this car because I don't really care. It's just really dusty. I'll go ahead and do that, and then I'll get back to you guys. I hate this gate so much. For some reason, it doesn't open from the inside, so I have to wait for someone to come. So my brother actually helped me out with the ignition, so it actually starts with a key now. I don't have to dig through the engine bay like last video. The RPMs don't show, but it's on. Got oil pressure right there. And then we got oil temperature, coolant temperature, and then I have to wire this thing in right here.
Whipping out the wood on the 240.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Actually, not that bad. Yeah? Alright, we just got back from the tire shop. We got his rear tires mounted from his old spares onto his new wheels because we're going to the track this Saturday and he's going to be burning these.
Alright, so we got the new tires mounted on the wheels. They're 17 by 9.75 wheels, so they're pretty wide. And I honestly thought we were gonna have trouble trying to get the 225s mounted on the wheels. They're 225 45 17s, and there's a lot of stretch. So I don't know. It doesn't, honestly. I don't like stretch. I don't like a lot of stretch. I like a little bit of stretch because no stretch doesn't really appeal to me that much. But having a little bit of stretch looks good. Like the front tires that I'll show you right now. They're 235 40 17s, but since they have a thicker sidewall, they look a lot nicer than the rears. The rears are 225s, so they're 10 millimeters smaller, but still, it's a lot of stretch. So the rears are like habanero red, so they're pretty ugly. But I'm not gonna paint them white until after the event because, you know, they'll probably get rock chips and stuff. So I'm gonna wait till after the event, and then we're gonna paint them white, like the front ones. And the front ones look a lot nicer than the habanero red, because habanero red really doesn't go good with the red body of the car.
All right, so we're gonna be heading to Adams Motorsport in Riverside, Motorsports Park in Riverside this Saturday he's gonna be sliding his S13. So I'm gonna be out there filming on the track. Hopefully they let me in like they let him last time. But I won't be sliding because my car has raw knock and it has no power steering, which makes it harder. But
And it has no turbo.
and it has no turbo. Now we're heading over to his house because our friend Raphael is coming over. He got a nail or whatever in his tire, so he's leaking air. So we're gonna patch that because we've done that so many times. But yeah, that's gonna be our next thing to do. All right, so we were able to make the hole digger.
The whole digger?
The hole bigger.
The grape digger?
Anthony.
Over here using this little thing.
Tire patch toolkit.
And then we're gonna be
He's good at that.
Yeah, definitely. We're gonna be sticking this in there, or try to at least.
Yeah, just try. Woo! There you go.
All right, so we just finished up patching up his tire. We've done this so many times that it's just pretty easy now to just do it. All right, so now we're gonna be heading over to the gas station so we can get some air in the tire. But you guys probably can't see me because it's late at night.
Yeah.
But we're putting the wheel into his hatch so we can take it over.
And we out. Raphael.
Rest in peace, Tilly. I heard it.
Alright, let's
Don't disconnect my phone. Are you
Go.
good?
Yeah.
Oh my god. This thing's so small. What is that? It's like a fucking...
Is there even a fucking reader on this shit?
Nope.
Oh,
come out?
lit.
Rip. Yeah, no it is, but you have no internet, that's why.
I don't think so.
Yeah, focus so people don't get triggered.
Woo, it does.
Does
Doesn't
it?
work.
Does
Yeah.
it?
Alright, so make sure to subscribe and like, guys. This is our new channel, so we're trying to get as many subscribers as we can. We're going to be filming a lot of new things, and we're going to head to Adams on Saturday, so we're going to get some mint freaking videos, so stay tuned.